Welcome back to the California Landlords Union. One of the most important responsibilities of a landlord is ensuring a rental property remains profitable. Many landlords either raise rent incorrectly or fail to raise rent at all. Successful landlords understand that rent increases should be part of a business plan, not an emergency reaction. Every year, property taxes, insurance premiums, maintenance costs, utility costs, and contractor costs increase. If the rental income stays the same, the profits shrink. That's why professional landlords review rents annually and make strategic decisions based on market conditions and operating expenses. Before increasing rent, determine whether your property is subject to statewide rent regulations, qualifies for exemptions, or is affected by local ordinances, tenant protections, and compliance obligations. Many California cities have additional requirements regarding rent increases, registration, notices, and tenant protections. Even when a rent increase is allowed, it must be served properly. Verify dates, tenant names, property information, maintain copies, and document service. Good documentation protects landlords when notices are challenged. The goal isn't always the highest possible rent. The goal is long-term profitability. Consider tenant payment history, property condition, local vacancy rates, market rents, turnover costs, future repair expenses. Sometimes keeping a reliable tenant is more valuable than pursuing the maximum increase. Common mistakes include not reviewing rents annually, ignoring local ordinances, missing notice requirements, failing to document service, raising rent emotionally, and waiting too long between increases. Your rental property is a business. Understanding the rules and following proper procedures helps maximize revenue while minimizing risk. As a California Landlords Union member, you gain access to landlord education, forms, templates, compliance resources, and investment training. Landlords. Helping landlords. For help with notices, lease enforcement, tenant issues, and eviction services, contact landlord advocates. For renovations, repairs, ADUs, turnovers, and property upgrades, approved construction vendors from California Landlord Union can help maximize your property's earning potential. As a California Landlords Union member, you'll have access to our network of approved union vendors and specialists across California. From eviction support and legal resources to contractors, inspectors, restoration professionals, and property management solutions. Our goal is to connect landlords with trusted experts who can help protect and grow their investments. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next California Landlords Union training.